Hi, good morning everyone. Happy Monday. It's December 16, 2024 today. Maayong sa tanan. Good morning everybody. Our weather temperature here in Stockholm, Sweden is plus 5 degrees Celsius. And today is a very special day to me. It's because it's the birthday of my only child, my son, Carl Josh Tristan Sundin. Hi anak! Gratis po pagdilsidagan. Happy birthday to you. And my son is 14 years old now. And Tristan, I wish you all the best. I love you very much. And I am very happy that you came into my life. I love you so much and forever. So later today, I am going to prepare on his birthday. I am going to cook, to buy flowers, and in fact, we have already his favorite cake, the chocolate cake. He chose this one for his birthday. So I am going to prepare uh, food and others here in our home so we can be able to celebrate also. And I would like also to greet a happy birthday to my dearest classmate in high school, Mary Rose Tadlas Halalon. Hello Rose, happy birthday to you girl, and I wish you all the best also. And to those who are celebrating their birthdays, happy birthdays, and may you have more abundant blessings to come. So happy birthdays to all of you there who are celebrating their birthdays today. So thank you so much everyone for watching my vlog today, and see you anytime because I am going to prepare the food and others for my son's birthday. And I'm so happy that he is now 14 years old. So thank you so much, and take care also. And thank you for watching my vlog. Bye-bye everyone, and may God bless us all. Bye-bye. Hey, doll.